Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly extension to Microsoft Edge. So firstly you need to open Microsoft Edge. Now type Grammarly in the search bar. Now click on this official Grammarly account link. Now here you will find option add to Microsoft Edge. It's free. So click on it. Now click on get. Now here click on add extension. Now wait for a while till this downloading process will be complete. Once it's downloaded, click on turn on sync. Now once downloaded will be complete, you will see this new tab. And here you can log in your Grammarly account. And if you don't have Grammarly account, so you can sign up simply using by your Facebook, Google or Apple ID. So hopefully friends you like this video. By these simple steps we can know how to add Grammarly extension to Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.